So in collaboration with Diplomics, we reached out to the University of Free State and we got a response from the biochemistry microbiology department to come and train their honors and their master students on qPCR applications and their techniques. So we actually brought a Considio 5 instrument with us as a demo so that they actually have some hands-on experience on setting up qPCR experiments. The training was to provide support to the university, first of all, and also to give the students the tools needed for their projects, whether it's for honors or master's projects, and then also for any opportunities that might need qPCR later on in their careers. So South Africa has a shortage of the necessary scientists which can perform these omics-based research. So anything that involves PCR, capillary electrophoresis, any transcriptomics, NGS, things that are supported by Thermo Fisher and also Diplomics now, to give future scientists the tools that are required and to obviously place them in a better position for any research that might be performed, and also put them on more of an even keel with the rest of the world that are further ahead with these kind of technologies.
I found this workshop very interesting, and I know it's going to be helpful in my honors project that I'm going to be doing that involves CRISPR-Cas. So I know I'll be doing a lot of PCR, and I know this is going to be very helpful in my future as it's going to be contributing a lot in the medical field.
My favorite part of the training course was seeing how to do qPCR in practice and not just in theory, and the different applications thereof.
So to the other institutions, I would say that if you guys are interested and if you are lacking in certain aspects of your curriculum to especially postgrad students, I would say reach out to Thermo Fisher and Diplomics and find out what we have available if we haven't reached out to you before, and then complete the surveys that we send out so that we can know what is lacking at your institution, so that we can actually help you guys give these kind of trainings to your students.